Hi everyone, today I'm at the Stuart Yacht and Country Club in Martin County. It's in South Florida in the Treasure Coast. So if you're looking in this area for a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, this community is great. You have boating and golfing all year round. This is built in 2022, has a metal roof and fully impact windows throughout. It's just under 2,300 square feet. It's got a beautiful backyard oasis. So let's check it out. I'm Kayla, Shae, your local South Florida realtor, and I specialize in the Treasure Coast and Palm Beaches. So when you're ready to make a move, give me a call. I also offer tons of free buyer and seller resources, and you can find those in my bio.